First tonight at 6, a unanimous ruling by the Georgia Supreme Court could change how DUI cases are prosecuted all over the state.
And it will impact cases going through the courts right now. Caitlin Ross talked to the attorney who tried the case and won.
Yes, and this case stems from an arrest in 2015. The woman was pulled over in Athens for erratic driving, and in the back of the cop car, she refused to take the breath test. Since she refused, she was taken to jail. It's that refusal that was at the center of the case. The Supreme Court justices zeroed in on a small difference between the U.S. Constitution and the Georgia Constitution. In Georgia, people are protected against acts of self-incrimination.
Where the U.S. Constitution protects you against any statements, the Georgia Constitution has a wider net as far as protection. So when you're required to act, as in submit to a breath test by blowing in a machine, that's protected by the Georgia Constitution.
And attorneys who talked about this say it really is shocking for a lot of people, but it's in line with innocent until proven guilty.
This is a matter of our freedoms. Our society values freedom more than we value the heavy-handed imposition of law. And we live in a society where we'd rather have 9 criminals walk away free because the state can't meet their burden of proof than have one innocent person convicted wrongly.
So what about the woman whose case started all of this? Well, her case is still pending. Remember, that was all the way back in 2015. Now that the Supreme Court made their ruling, her case can proceed. And it is worth noting, if you refuse the breath test, your driver's license could still be suspended for a year. Jeff?
Interesting story. Thank you, Caitlin. The Georgia Supreme Court's decision may also bring into question some arrests tied to our 2017 investigative series into traffic stops. Our chief investigator, Brendan Keefe, found people who were falsely arrested for driving under the influence. Officers statewide undergo specialized training to recognize signs of impairment. Part of the protocol includes using a breathalyzer test, and a driver's refusal could be offered into evidence. But according to today's ruling, the training simply will have to change. We have Brendan's full investigation. The drug whisperer posted on 11alive.com. Just look under the investigators tab on the homepage. Coming up.